In this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for the acrylic block. First, visit Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section, click here to download the file. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen with all the detailed guidelines and notes for the product. Follow the guidelines on the file to complete your design. Please note that you can create any artworks you want as long as they are in the safe zone. For the best results, always follow the note written on the file. For example, the file format should be PNG with 300 dpi, or make sure your artwork cover the whole template. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mockup file. You can see all the mockup images we've prepared for you. Click on the image you want to create a mockup. For example, click on folder 7, click on the group 1 folder. On the first folder, click on the first layer, right-click and select Relink to File. Choose the printing file that you've just finished, click Place and wait for the template to load. After the loading time finishes, your design will be applied to all image mockups. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.